There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, you can have your hand up there.
Okay.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. Range is clear. 11, 10 steel.
10 steel.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 Charlie. 2 Charlie. Chris, drop the mag.
Okay. Yeah, I threw that one on the ground.
Finished. Unload and show me clear. If clear, slide hammer holster. Range is clear. 2966. Here's 10. Here you go. 2966. Yes, sir. 2966.
I need that brass.
You ready?
Yeah.
2 alpha.
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 2 alpha. 2 alpha.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
You see it?
Oh, we.
2 alpha.
Oh, there it is. No, I need that brass to make the next stage. You need what? One more? Probably.
Zach has one in his pocket that he picked up earlier.
Okay.
15 targets. All scored. Tape them up.
Gosh, you're boring.
2966.
All
Gosh,
alphas?
you're boring.
Yeah? Yeah, buddy.
Still second opinion.
When you're ready.
Stand by.
See clear, slide down and hold.
There it
Oh,
is.
it's standing on 2624.
6, 24.
Let's see how I did first.
Alpha Mike.
Alpha Mike.
Charlie Mike.
Oh my God.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Alpha Delta.
Oh, sorry.
2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
Damn it.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 Charlie.
Charlie.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 Bravo.